waiting for all these people to move.
Waiting for the train to get here.
Waiting for the ticket line. Waiting for my phone.
Waiting to get a signal.
To get off this train.
Waiting on hold.
Waiting for the bank
Waiting
teller.
for the workday.
Waiting for these people to move.
Waiting.
Stop.
Waiting.
Waiting for the phone to ring. Waiting for the perfect match. Waiting for another family to say goodbye. Waiting to get my life back.
Waiting can take on a whole new meaning when your life is in the balance.
In 2012, my doctor gave me 6 months to live. When I was diagnosed with congested heart failure, it was like putting my life on hold. Couldn't walk, tired all the time. I mean, your life still has to go on, but you're nervous, you're nerve-wracked. You're waiting for a phone call.
Each year, more than 250,000 people need new hearts. Yet, at best, only 3,000 hearts are available for transplant in the United States. Some people wait more than 2 years, and some people never get one. In an effort to improve his health and quality of life, Tyrone decided to have the HeartMate 3 implanted.
It made my whole life change. Wasn't worried about the 6 months anymore. Now I'm able to play basketball with my kids, whatever I like to do. Now with HeartMate, I'm not waiting anymore. I'm living again.